Hey there, beautiful people. Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we explore everything that makes you glow from the inside out. Today, I'm unpacking a product that promises to give curly hair that enviable balance of moisture and control. The Oribe Conditioner for Moisture and Control in a 6.8 full odds cream formula. Oribe is known for their luxury hair care, so let's see how this one stacks up. This conditioner is designed specifically for curly hair and claims to deeply condition, repair, and strengthen strands while delivering softness and smoothing effects. It's paraben-free, sulfate-free, vegan, and cruelty-free, which ticks the boxes for clean beauty enthusiasts. The cream formulation aims to provide rich hydration without weighing curls down. I integrated this conditioner into my routine over a few weeks, using it after shampoo on damp hair. Right away, the texture felt luxuriously creamy, but not overly thick. It spread easily through my curls without leaving a heavy residue. After rinsing, my hair felt instantly softer and smoother, with less frizz, which is always a challenge for curls. I noticed improved manageability the next day, making styling much easier. The scent is subtle, fresh, and elegant, not overpowering, which I appreciated. That said, if you're someone who prefers a super rich, buttery conditioner, you might find this slightly lighter than expected. Let's talk pros. The formula is impressive. Clean, free from sulfates and parabens, yet rich enough to nourish curls deeply. The softness and frizz control are definitely noticeable, making it great for everyday use. The cruelty-free vegan aspect is a huge plus if ethical beauty matters to you. Packaging is sleek and practical, fitting comfortably in the hand and dispensing just the right amount without waste. On the flip side, while it does a solid job on moisture, those with extremely dry or coarse curls might find it needs a little backup from an additional moisturizing product, especially in drier climates. Also, the price point sits on the higher end, reflecting the luxury branding, which could be a consideration if you're on a budget. Speaking of budget, if you want something similar but more affordable, brands like Shea Moisture or Camille Rose offer deeply moisturizing conditioners that work well for curls. Though the Oribe does stand out for its lightweight feel combined with softness and repair benefits. So if luxury and ingredient quality are priorities, Oribe holds its ground. The packaging feels premium, a sturdy, elegant bottle that maintains the integrity of the formula. From my experience, the product lasts well over multiple uses without separating or losing texture, so it's a worthwhile investment if you can swing the price. I haven't had any direct experience with Oribe's customer service for this product, but generally, they're known for being responsive and supportive, which adds peace of mind when investing in higher-end hair care. If you're loving this review so far, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon. It really helps Beautyistic reach more beauty lovers just like you, so we can keep bringing you honest, in-depth reviews. Wrapping up, Oribe's Moisture and Control Conditioner is a standout for those who want effective, clean, and cruelty-free care that softens and tames curls without weighing them down. It shines most for medium to fine curly hair types, needing daily softness and frizz control. If you have super thick or extremely dry curls, you might need to pair it with extra hydration. The price reflects its premium status, so it's ideal for those willing to invest in a luxury curl care routine. If you've tried this conditioner, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment below and let us know how it worked for your curls. The purchase link is waiting for you in the description or comments box. Thanks so much for hanging out with me here on Beautyistic. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.